Okay, number 10, and this one's a big one. I'm going to push hard here. Um, I have had many, many years of visitors in my classroom coming in and immediately pointing out to me who the artist is. And it's always someone who can render a drawing realistically. And it's so concerning that our vision for what an artist is so narrow, and it doesn't allow for first of all other media, you know, but it also doesn't allow for the ideas. It doesn't allow for the ideas that were behind the drawings to come through. And I always think we need to focus on ideas. What were the ideas? Because ultimately, what they need to walk away with is that artists plant ideas. Artists play and repurpose and kind of work with ideas and restructure ideas and put it out there into society. So all I think we need to do is share with them these ideas and how these ideas were rendered. But then always go back to what ideas do you have? What ideas are there for you? So when you do get that visitor, or you do get that parent, or you do get that grown up, or even your art colleagues who measure art giftedness on this one little tiny scale of not likeness to likeness, we need to blast that. I mean, we need to just, fight that all the way and really just, make them realize that they're narrowing what it means to be an artist to something really meaningless. Like ultimately, not like skill and craft is not meaningful, but it is part of it. Like I think, obviously some artists getting to a very technical level is part of their art, and that's the idea. But it's not everything. It's certainly not everything. And by making that everything, we are completely leaving all of these kids behind in so many ways. I mean, there's kids who are, could be, making movies. They could be expressing the ideas. And that's why I think it's important to also expose them to all these different kinds of medias. Because some of these kids, expose them to different kinds of media. Some of these kids are going to really take to photography. Some of these kids are going to take to video making. Some of these kids are going to just adore stop motion and really be able to use that as a venue in expressing their ideas. So break away from this continuum of drawing, photographic like image of whatever, and garbled up gooble gobble. So like that's the continuum in which they see art. Like this is bad and this is good. Like, come on. Let's open up the doors and again, value the work by the ideas behind them primarily. And I think you'll find that it's a lot more open-ended and it's a lot more allowing of different types of artwork. All right, I hope that was helpful. I tend to get a little chatty, but I hope that was really helpful. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think.